In today's reading lesson, we're going to read a very short story called The Job. Let's get started. First up, we'll go over the high frequency words in today's story. There are two. The first one is has. Has. It looks like this, but it sounds like this. Has. Our second high frequency word is uh. It looks like this, but it sounds like this. Now we'll review the sounds we'll need to know in order to sound out the reading words in today's story. First up is today's vowel, the short O sound. Ah. Ah. You should be able to hear that sound in the beginning of the word otter. The other letter sounds we'll need to know are B, as in ball, and J, as in jam. Let's say those sounds together. B, J. Nice work. All right, now that we've gone over our letter sounds we need, it's time to sound out today's reading words. Here's your first word. Go ahead and sound it out. If you said b, b, Bob, then you got it. Let's try that again. Here's your second word. Go ahead and sound it out. If you said j, b, job, then you're right. Now that we reviewed our high frequency words and our reading words, it's time to read our very short story. Go ahead and give it a try. Now that you've had a chance to read it on your own, let's read it together. Bob has a job. Wow, great job. Now we'll finish up with a few comprehension questions. Here we go. Who is the story about? If you said Bob, then you're right. What do we know that Bob has from the story? If you said that Bob has a job, then you got it. Great job. Thanks so much for joining me for this reading lesson today. See you later.